हेलो मैम।
हाय।
जय माता। इधर देख, किधर देखो मैम, इधर देखो। हाँ।
She'll do that inside. Yes.
देखो, फोटो एक फोटो होने दो, फोटो होने दो।
Okay, now photo.
लेफ्ट टू राइट, लेफ्ट।
जय
all the eye doctors in India gathering.
Come a little more closer. Bye. This camera please. This camera please first.
इधर के
One more. One more. Everybody this camera first. Now. One more. One more. That's one. Sorry. Yeah, this camera please. Everyone this camera. Got it.
Any guesses who is second runner-up? Any guesses? Participants, you can cheer your own name, guys. Come on. Nobody? Nervous. I think they are nervous. Yeah. All right. Before we announce the winners, let me once again remind everyone that it's not just about awards or winning this campaign. It's about celebrating the journey of standing tall, even when life throws challenges your way. So let's see who is our second runner-up. Are you guys excited? Yes? I can't hear you guys. Are you guys excited? Okay. And the second runner-up is Dr. Prachi Demal. Can we have a big round of applause for Prachi? I'm sure you will be still continue giving beautiful smiles. Dr. Prachi, come on everybody. Wow, amazing. Alright, moving forward, our first runner-up. Any guesses again? I'm giving it a chance. Nobody? Nose? Fingers crossed? Okay. The first runner-up is Aishwarya Jairam, Future Mantra. Congratulations, Aishwarya. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. All right. The winner is Sonali Deshmukh, Green Hills, Andhra. Congratulations, Sonali. A big day for you.
Congratulations to all the 10 finalists and everyone else who participated. So while you see winning and losing is part of life, I think that's not the key. The key is learning and moving forward. I think one aspect that I would like to suggest, and our doors are always open. Yes, money is there, but one always needs a sounding board, right? Whenever you're starting something, you need the people who have maybe done a little something more than what you've done, or the journey that they've taken the journey already. So we're there. You can always call on us, and if you want to just discuss an idea or a thought, we'll be happy to handhold you wherever we possibly can. So that's an open invitation to anyone who wants to take it. All the best and good luck. It's an incredible journey, and enjoy the ride. That's the most important thing.
Alright, let's do 3 cheers for this wonderful cabin of year. I'm going to say hip hip. You all have to say Moha. Okay guys, are we in this together? Yes? Come on, let's do it together. Hip hip!
Yeah, and my camera, please.
So our agency headed by Priya and Shivani, you guys can come up. And last but not the least, my own team members, senior.
It really made a difference in my life. So I can see how, and there's some really wonderful presentations with some really wonderful ideas. तो काफी मुश्किल था I think हम सबको winners चुनने में, but I think we've come to a decision. क्या सवाल है मतलब really amazing question.
It's a tough one, but there you go. Because one of the key aspects is that it endorses at one level it endorses it just endorses whatever that we are trying to do. And I think at some level, as she mentioned, whenever she started something new, it is always at that time when you need the most amount of encouragement and guidance and support. So this is the small thing that we're doing. हमारा जो इधर फर्क
I think कि अभी बहुत awareness है, बहुत knowledge है, बहुत confidence है. लेकिन India, I think all of India is not on the same level. मैं तो कह सकती हूँ कि मेरी लाइफ बहुत ही privileged है. सिर्फ मेरी माँ बाप की वजह से नहीं, मेरी एजुकेशन की वजह से मुझे बहुत बेहतरीन शिक्षा मिली. और मैं जानती हूँ कि इंडिया में बहुत सारे लड़कियों को ऐसी शिक्षा नहीं मिलती. एंड थिंग्स आर नॉट फेयर. तो इसीलिए कभी कभी औरों के लिए खड़ा होना ज़रूरी है, उनकी आवाज़ बनना ज़रूरी है, टू रिप्रेजेंट. सो दैट आई फील शुड हैपन मोर. इसीलिए मैं और लोगों को इनकरेज भी करना चाहूँगी अगले साल आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए, स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट में आप भी भाग लीजिए, क्योंकि आपके जो ड्रीम्स हैं, जो बिजनेस एस्पिरेशंस हैं, आपको यहाँ पे शायद आपको भी मदद मिले. a very special event. Starting of एक ऐसा platform है women के लिए where everyone can kind of be on the same level, share their business ideas, and hopefully grow from here. And I think as a woman, it's always very special when I'm in a space where I can see that other women are being uplifted, other women are being kind of their visions are being celebrated. So I think एक बहुत ही special day है just to celebrate women who are doing something unique and special.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, we have seen you in Thappad as a woman empowerment, supporting women empowerment. So ma'am, आज की generation में, in the Gen Z generation, how important it is for the women to be empowered and know about what they want to do and what is wrong and what's right when it comes to men and their touch and should they beat or not beat women, whatever.
Yeah, great question. Thank you for that. I feel like मैं originally Delhi से हूँ and मैं LSR में थी, Lady Shri Ram College for Women. तो मैं girls के साथ ही पढ़ी हूँ and we all have learned the importance of supporting each other, stopping something that is wrong, kind of questioning the patriarchal structure of society. So ये मेरे अंदर ही अंदर घुस चुका है एकदम. फिर आई मूवी थप्पड़ जहाँ पे मैंने ये दिखाया दर्शकों को. So yeah, like you said, it's always kind of within me to stand for something that is on the right side and always question something that is a kind of an injustice to a woman, something where she is being pulled down for. I think I would always stand for women in that way, and I'm very happy to be here and support women who are coming with a vision and a cause and a business idea that they want to kind of change their world and the society around it.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, feminism, you support feminism, but there is also a sort of toxic feminism which is going on and everyone knows about it. So would you like to tell anything about toxic feminism and have you ever seen a case personally like that?
I feel like, you know, I don't want to talk about anything in that kind of space just because I feel like today is a day where we're just celebrating women.
Yeah.
And I feel anything that is unnecessarily questioning why a woman is doing something, that is where things get a bit fishy.
Yeah.
So today is just a day about women empowerment in the sense that we're a bunch of women today who have come to look after and uplift and question the women around us and possibly help them grow. And I think that's the main agenda for today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
कृष्णा जी, कृष्ण जी,
Sign message.
ये क्या